Hello everyone, welcome for online video tutorials. We are from SVIT Institute of Technology, Racharkunta, Bangalore. In today's session, we are going to discuss about advertising and its aims, its functions, roles, and types of advertising. It's a part of integrated marketing communication subject as per the VTU curriculum. The subject code is 18MBAMM402. I'm Professor Manjunatha S, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management Studies. This is my second video tutorial relating to this IMC subject. So this one is advertising. Let us have that meaning of advertising. Any paid form of non-personal presentation by an identified sponsor, which means the person who is not able to find or promote themselves, they are going to promote their products or services through medias. So any paid form of non-personal presentation, if I'm not able to say about my product or my services, so some middleman will come. Who is the middleman? Media. Media will give that presentation, or they will be explaining about the product or services for the viewers with collecting of money, that is paid identified sponsors. So that is called advertising. That is influence the behavior of the consumers through mass media. We are influencing. What is advertising? Another one is the seller, the manufacturer, or the vendors, or wholesaler or retailers. They are influencing the consumer behavior or behavior of the consumers through mass media. It may be televisions, it may be TV channels, it may be radio, it may be printing medias, it may be newspaper or magazines or something, or else social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, some other medias. So it may be outside medias, it may be flex or some other extra things or some other promotional medias they are using to give a advertisements. So this is all about meaning of advertising. Then moving to next main important topic is aims or purpose of advertising. So the first aim is, or the purpose of advertising is stimulating the sales of product and services. So here we have to stimulate the product or services. That is the main one, because why we are manufacturing is happening to sell the products or services. So that is the main important purpose of advertising, to push the product into sales of sales purpose, which means pushing the product into customers and gaining the profit or collecting a money. So that is the first purpose of advertising. Then creating favorable image about the organization. So we need to say, so nobody will say this company is good and other company is bad. So how to promote our how to build our goodwill, how to create that reputation, or how to create that image in this society, when we are when the companies, when the organizations are giving advertisements relating to favorable, it may be positive images, creating a favorable or positive images through the media. That is one through that media, definitely the positive images will be built. So that is also one purpose of advertising. Then third one is promoting public services. It may be charity, while collecting a charity and all. Nowadays, many charities has happened, flood release fund or something. Somebody is having a problem, so for them give a charity. That all advertisements are coming. So that is public services and social services, anti-drug preventions. Maybe you have seen some advertisement relating to gutka or smoking or something. So these all advertisements relating to social services also. Then some charity as well as the social services. Then creating demand for the new products. Though people not aware of the new products in the market, so in that perspective, they need to get some advertisements, or they need to promote products, and they have to create awareness about the new product in the market. So that's what they are creating a demand for the new product through advertisements. That is also one purpose of advertisement. Then building awareness, they need to build awareness about the product or services, or it may be organization, or maybe relating to the service people. So that all the building awareness among the people community, or prospective customers, or customers or consumers, that is possible from the advertising. So that is one another purpose of advertising. Then functions of advertising, the various functions are there, but I have made a list of 10 functions in this PPT. That is inform buyers about the product and services. So here they will be informing that product is available in the market, or it's available with the wholesaler or retailer, or it's available in this place. So that is informing. That is, the information is passing by the seller to the buyers through the medias. That is advertising. Then offers an incentive to buy product and services. So they may give some offers and some incentives, some discounts, some anything, some extra benefit for the customers that will be informed through the advertisements to buy a product and services. It may be motivation for the buyers to purchase a product. Then provoke consumers to try out new product and reminds about the benefits of the product. So it will be like advertisement function is to promote the new product, as well as they are reminding to get a product with some benefits, extra benefits or some benefits. If we purchase this product or which we get these services, what benefit we'll get it compared to our other products or other services. So that maybe remind for the customers or consumers. Then fourth function is to build a brand and distinguish from the competitors, creating a brand. So nobody will say, as I said in the previous slide itself, nobody will say about the product or services that favorably. They won't talk just like that. So to make that brand, to create that brand, we need to be promoted through that advertisement, and we have to create a positive brands, as well as we have to distinguish, we have to differentiate from the competitors. The customers will think, or the buyers may think, all products are similar, all the companies are similar. So we have to differentiate that through that advertisements. Then fifth function is to create a brand equity. So brand equity of the brand may be created through the on the functions of advertising. So when the company, when with having of some objectives, advertisement has created, definitely the brand equity, the purchasing power of the customers and purchasing intention, the interest of the customers will be builded more. Then sixth one is it helps in the selection of brand out several brands. So the people may have a confusion, the buyer may have a confusion whether to go for one product, two product, or which product I need to purchase, because several products are there, similar features, similar characteristics, several products, several services are there. So which product, which services we need to purchase it, and that's what to find out the several to find out to take a better decisions or purchasing decisions through out of that several brands. That will be help for the advertisement, will help for them to select the best one. Then seventh function is to cost effective way of reaching a consumers. So here the very effective way to reach the consumers, directly the advertisements may reach for the consumers instead of going for the third one, through the third people or something. It may be through the some medias or some, it may be through the channels or something. Advertisements will reach for the particular prospective audience or prospective consumers. Then eighth function is it pursued people to act. It may be like they will be changing their mindset. Consumer or customer's mindset will be changed relating to the purchasing behavior or to take a decision relating to purchasing. It will be happen from the functions of advertising. Then it helps to save the time instead of gaining the information from various sources. Advertisement will save for the viewers time. So instead of going and searching for the information in internet or googling or something, it will be waste of time, or they may gain lot of informations just with seeing of advertisements. Then tenth one is it helps to establish the link between the consumers and himself through the advertisements. So here the link will be, means it may be bridge will be builded between the consumers as well as for the sellers. So it will be connections. So it may be emotional connections, it may be link will be builded, or it will be established to create it will be created between the consumers as well as for the sellers or buyers and sellers. Then next, moving for the functions of advertisement, the general functions, you can see this social functions, psychological functions, and economic function. So socially, how effectively the society is getting a benefit. They will get a awareness, they will take a decisions and all. People will get a clarity about it. Then psychological functions, that psychologically they may take a decision, right decision, and what to purchase, when to purchase, where to purchase. These all decisions will be taken by the customers or consumers. And economical functions, which may brings more more benefit for the customers with paying of less money. That also economical functions will be identified in general functions. So in that scenario, it will be it is a one function. Then a perception, the people perception about the product or services will be changed by the advertisements. then the different perceptions will be there, positive perception, negative perception. But still, the people who are in the negative perception, definitely advertisements may helps to bring their negative perceptions to positive perception. Then persuasion, the change of their mindset, definitely it will happen. The people may stick their mindset, and however they think, in that way only they will be taken that all the product or services. So in that perspective, so perception or persuasion, it may be negative, positive. The thinking mindset or any other form of mentality will be changed uh, from the for the people relating to product or services. Reinforcement, so it will be enforced for the buyers to purchase the product or services through that advertisement. So that is one general function. Reminder, again and again, the same product services information will be reached for the customers. So it will be avoid to lose the information or the forget of the information by the customer or audience or viewers. So it will be remind again and again through the medias. Then role of advertisements, communication with the consumers. We need to be consumers need to be communicated about the product or services and how to use the product and all. So that is communication with the consumers is a first role. Then persuasion, changing of their attitude, changing of their behavior, the changing of their mentality. Then thinking power, thinking capacity about the product or services. This all need to be taken care by the advertisers related to the customers. Then catalog for the change. So we need to be bring some changes with having of some catalogs or something. So we the change need to be bring positive to negative to positive mindset. Then contribution of economic growth. So the even for the individual growth as well as that country growth. It may be national income. We also will be increased. Economic growth will happen from the advertisements because a lot of job opportunities may created, and also it will be some tax will be paid through advertisements for the government. So that may be contributed for our economic growth also. And even individual companies with having of the advertisements, they may improve their economy, they improve their income and all. Then need for non-commercial advertisements. So sometimes non-commercial advertisements also will be given. Like I have said, that public advertisements and services, societal advertisements and all, contributing something for the society without expecting anything. So that is also possible. Non-commercial advertisement also possible. Then offers a choice. So here some offers will be given and they will be given for the choice. Some choice will be given for the customers or consumers so that they will have a clarity. I may have this options to purchase or something like that. They may have options. They create a knowledge create a new demand. So in that, creating a new demand or create new product when it came into market, so immediately they have to create that awareness about the product. So the new demand for the new product definitely are new old products or new service old services or old products will get a new demand when we are having a effective advertisements. And also creating a knowledge about the product or services, that is also one essential factors relating to advertisements. We need to give a more priority to create awareness or create a knowledge. Then predispose for actions, how to use the product, how to dispose the product, how to construct a product, how to consume the product, then after consumption how to dispose the product. So these all actions will be that all information can be given through that advertisements. Then pursuits, urge for using. So how to use, how to pursue, how to change our information, how to change our mindset, how effectively we can utilize the product, how effectively we can consume the product. So these all informations may be taken from role of advertisements. Then distinguish products or services. That is also one effective role through that competition and information. So lot of substitute products are available in the market. So how to differentiate that product, our product from other competitive product. So that will be one role. Then dynamic process that reflects changes in the economic and social activities. So here the bringing a changes in the customer mindset, it's a very big task, or it will be very tough task. So bringing the positiveness about the product or services, and also bringing the changes in economic status and social activities in their company perspective or in any organizations, that is also one more role in advertisement. Then last topic of this session is types of advertising. There will be a lot of on the basis of many headings we have divided the types. The first type is based on the target audience. So on the basis of audience, so the advertisements as divided as two part. One is consumer advertisement, another one is industrial advertising. Any advertisement which is given for the ultimate consumers. So it is directed towards the ultimate consumers. The person who is going to consume the product, for them any advertisement as given, that will be called as consumer advertisement. Then industrial advertisement is directed towards the institution or businesses. For any other company, any other organizations, any advertisement as given, we'll call that one as an industrial advertisement. Consumer advertisement, which we are seeing in the TV channels, it may be Maggie advertisements, it may be pens advertisements, it may be some resort services advertisement or something. So this all consumer advertisement. Industrial advertisement example, it may be advertisement which is given relating to Intel processors. So directly they are giving advertisement in TV channels, creating a demand among the customer community, and they are starting to demand while purchasing laptops or systems from that sellers. We want Intel processors. So that is industrial advertisements. So in that industrial advertisement, again, two more types are there. That is trade advertising towards the trade people. It may be dealers and retailers. Relating to them, the advertisement has given. The people who are trading the products, for them advertisements has given. Then professional advertising, it may be who are having a professionalism as they, with having of the professionalism, we are practicing their profession. For them, that advertisement were given. That are doctors and engineers. The doctors, any medicines advertisement is coming, that is professional advertising. Engineers, the TMT bars and all, they are giving advertisements related to construction, cements and all. Advertisement which is given for related to cements and all. So that will be professional advertising. Then second type of advertising, that is geographical coverage. It will be having again four more types. That is national advertising, which means national based, which means any advertisement which is given in a national level, country level. It may be whole India has given advertisement, that is the national advertisement. Then regional advertisement developed for the particular regions. It may be only for South India, only for North India, only for the South zone, or only for the East zone. So like that, regional wise, any advertisement has developed, that will be called as regional advertisement. Then local advertisement only for the local area, a particular area, only for the Bangalore. So Bangalore advertisement, that area will be covered that advertisements. Only for Karnataka, so that is local advertisement. Then international advertisement, if there is no boundaries for the advertisements, international level, many countries same advertisement will be telecast. So that is international market advertisements. Then third type of advertisements, that is media selectivity. Any advertisement which is given in a print media, will call that one as a printing ads. It may be paper, news, or any other form of printing medias. We'll call that one as a print ads. Then electronic ads, it may be TV channels, TV, or electronic forms, FM or radio or something. So that is electronic ads. Direct mails, brochures, catalogs, etc., sending through mails. So that is direct mails. Outdoor ads, it may be hoardings, banners, then ratings on the walls or something. So pictures on walls. So these are all outdoor ads. The miscellaneous ads, transit ads, it may be bus, train, internet, interactive ads. You have seen on a bus nowadays, outside of the buses, some advertisement has pasted, and inside the bus on the seats, on the holdings, when we stand and we'll be having a holding. So in that, some ads will be, some cards will be inserted. So that all in a bus, train, and internet advertisements, some pop-up advertisements will coming on your screen. So that all advertisements will called as miscellaneous ads. Then fourth type of advertising is aim, as per the on the basis of aim or objective. So financial ad related to finance, they need to improve their financial conditions, or they need to earn more profit, or they have to improve their turnover. For that objective, any advertisement has given, that is a financial ads. Then demands ads, to create a demand for the product, buy one get one free, like the demand has created. So to create a demand for the product or services, that ads will be called as demand ads as per the objectives. Then product and services ad, related to product and services awareness, to create awareness, to create a knowledge. So that any advertisement as given in any channels or any medias, that will be called as P and S, that is product and services ads. Action ads, how to purchase, how to came into decision of purchasing, how to put themselves into purchasing decisions and all, that ads will called as a action ads. So then commercial ads is there. Uh, that is another type of advertisements, that is called commercial ad, developed for purpose of making a profits. It's nothing but financial ads only. It's only for the purpose of profit. Any advertisement as given for development of profit, that ads will called as a commercial ads. Non-commercial ads means for social services. Any advertisement which is given relating to social services, it may be Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, some advertisement has came. Then maybe you have seen the smoking is dangerous for health. That advertisement is social services ad. So any advertisement related to profit, any advertisements which is we are seeing in the TV channels, that is commercial ads. Non-commercial means only for the social services. There is no expectation as a profit. That ads will call as a non-commercial ads. So here we'll wind up this session. Thank you for watching. Any of your feedback you want to inform me, kindly write a mail for manjunatha.s@scividya.ac.in. Thank you for watching. Thank you one and all.